can come to Vegas, win or lose, and you can write a book about poker. That's what these guys did. They made movies and they wrote books about winning and losing and the stories and the superstars. Right now at the Rio, there's some giant poker competition and everybody's there. I met this girl who wanted to come to me to buy a book. She was first staying at Circus Circus, then she stayed at the Rio, then I met her at Excalibur, and I asked her what she was doing, and she said that she brought all her money from Delaware or Virginia, somewhere over there on the East Coast, and she lost everything. And the way that she was describing the story at this coffee shop in the Excalibur Casino just sounded so fabulous that I thought, why doesn't she write a book about it? It would have been priceless. I mean, I think she even had a fiance that she left 2 weeks before they were supposed to go to the altar because she just had an obsessive, compulsive, spontaneous desire to come to Las Vegas and play poker with the big boys, and by day 2 she was out. And I don't even know what that means. I don't know what happens every hour or day when it comes to these giant poker competitions, but I know that some of the casinos have been rewiring their rooms. When I go and visit, they've been resetting the tables so that you can have cameras, and so that people on TV and cable can watch them and see them and record them for DVDs. And so I always remember this story about Wild Bill, because when I was in Denver, they made a big deal out of him and his show cards and Dead Man's Hand.